Welcome to day 3 of my 30-day spring cleaning challenge. Sorry if it's a little noisy, my dishwasher is already running the vinegar cycle. I'm actually recording this right in the middle of filming because this is the first time my house has been quiet literally all day. I asked AI to create a 30-day spring cleaning schedule. I gave the size of my house, how many rooms, what rooms I had, and that's exactly what it gave me. That is what we are going off of to do this 30-day spring cleaning challenge. If you're just tuning in, this is, like I said, day 3. We are still in the kitchen. I actually didn't realize just how much needed to be done in the kitchen. It is appliance day. You may have noticed I actually didn't do the dishwasher yesterday like I had planned to. I realized it was an appliance, so I just added it onto appliance day. I'm cleaning my dishwasher, my stove, my microwave, my oven, my hood vent. I've been taking notes because I want to stay focused and get everything done that I need to get done. Luckily, I left a day open in these 30 days just in case I needed more time, and if we need to rearrange as we go, so be it, we will. If you did miss day 1 and day 2, I'll put a little pop-up on screen here. You can go watch those videos and come back to this one or watch this one and go back. Either way, it's all lots of spring cleaning motivation, but don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any more videos. Let's do this. The very first thing I'm doing in here is deep cleaning my dishwasher. I have some hard water stains in there, so I'm going to scrub down the inside of it, clean the filter, and run a vinegar cycle. I may be jumping around from appliance to appliance while I'm doing this. For example, I'll be cleaning the microwave and letting the glass in there soak. While it soaks, I'll move on to the oven, then go back to it, finish up, and put the glass back in the microwave. Things like that, just to keep things moving in here. I'm not going to try to group tasks together just because that would slow things down when editing, and as you know, I'm putting out a video every single day in April, so things need to be pretty quick here. My two go-to cleaning products in the kitchen are Scrub Daddy Power Paste and a wet pumice stone. They both work amazing and are great non-toxic options. They work on so many different surfaces and do a wonderful job. not actually going to clean the inside of the refrigerator out. I have a whole day planned for the inside of the fridge, deep cleaning in there, and then deep cleaning and organizing, decluttering in the freezer as well. So right now, I'm just wiping down the exterior of the fridge and freezer. I won't be doing the inside of these for probably a week or so. I don't know, I might rearrange my schedule because it's kind of all over the place right now, and I would like to move around my house in a way that makes sense, because right now, after today, we're supposed to be going into the mudroom, then the living room, then the homeschool room, and I feel like we're kind of jumping around here, so I'm gonna try to rearrange a couple things and keep it in a nice order. Thank you so much for joining me for day 3 of my 30-day spring cleaning challenge. Don't forget to subscribe and tune in tomorrow for day 4.